Sit on the ground with your legs crossed and your back tall and straight. Close your eyes. Bring your hands to your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Imagine that you are a snow globe. Feel your legs and seat and feet heavy and rooted to the ground. Imagine that your fidgety, wiggly body, noisy thoughts, and swirling emotions are like the snow inside the snow globe after it's been shaken up. Keep breathing deeply and slowly in and out through your nose. Feel your hands move with your belly as your inhale expands your belly like a balloon and your exhale relaxes your belly. As you breathe slowly into your hands, feel your fidgets and wiggles calming down. As your body calms down and becomes more still, notice that your thoughts become quieter too. When you shake up a snow globe, the swirling snow makes it difficult to see the picture inside. Our thoughts and feelings are like that too. When they are swirling and twirling inside of us, it's difficult to see and think clearly. As your body, mind, and feelings settle down like the snow inside the snow globe, notice how much easier it is to think clearly. When you feel ready, when your snow has settled to the very bottom of your snow globe, open your eyes.